So a lot of people have been complaining bitterly that their referrals are not reflecting on their Hamster Kombat dashboard. Well, in this video I'm going to analyze how this thing works, the reason why your referrals are not reflecting on your dashboard. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video, and please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. Don't forget, here I teach people how to make money online with your smartphone. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive in today's video. So I have decided to make this video today to answer these questions because I understand how it feels that you are putting enough energy to refer people, then at the end of the day you will not see your referral. Well, this is it. I'm not going to waste time in this video, so I will just go ahead and answer the questions. I have seen a lot of videos online. I've even seen people saying because you click on launch, when you send your referral link to someone on Telegram, here you will see something like launch at the bottom, then you will also see the link at the top. So some people are saying it's because the person clicked on the launch instead of the link. Well, that is absolutely not the truth. Yes, that is not the real fact. Now this is the fact. This is why you are not seeing your numbers of referrals on this particular place. Let's say, for example, you have referred not less than 10 people and what you are seeing here is only but 1. This is how it works. Now, for those of you that got your referral through Facebook, through Instagram, TikTok, X, and the rest of the platform, now this is how it works. If someone joined Hamster Kombat through your referral link, let's say for example today, now you will not see that person on your list. Yes, it will never reflect on your list that very day. I mean, if these people are joining Hamster Kombat through your link via other social media aside Telegram. So take note of what I'm saying. What I am saying now is people that joined your link aside Telegram. Now those people that joined your link aside Telegram, you will not see it here the first day, the second day. Now I will give you this as a test. Just observe this thing. Use someone's phone, refer yourself. Now keep this as an experiment. You will notice that this thing will take up to 7 days. Yes, don't argue with me. It is something I have carried out my experiment before I even think of coming up with this video, because people have been complaining on the last post I made on how to gain massive referrals without inviting. So a lot of people are complaining bitterly on the comments section. So if you are getting your referrals outside Telegram, it will take up to 7 days to reflect here. Now, if you invited people through this Telegram app and the person joined Hamster Kombat through Telegram app, it will take 3 to 4 days to reflect. Now you can see the differences. The difference is that this person joined through Telegram, and Telegram to Telegram, the Telegram algorithms will make the whole things, or Telegram bots will make the whole thing very easy and fast. But that, as long as it is coming from outside Telegram, it will take Telegram's bot a couple of days to generate this thing into your Hamster Kombat account, not to think of reflecting. So that is it. If you have been referring people and you are not seeing them here, just keep calm. Remain calm. You are gonna see them here after a couple of days. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can fuel me. That is the only way you can support me. Just subscribe to this channel. Here I give updates on daily basis. So if you like to get updates like this on this channel, just go ahead and click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. And also give this video a thumbs up, drop your comment, and guys, see you in my next video.